Director of Culture and Social Gerontologist with Jefferson House Memory Care Community, standing outside our general store on Main Street in our memory care with Dr. Kate Regal Van West, who came all the way from New Zealand to teach our residents with dementia about SpinPoi. What in the world is SpinPoi? Why did you come from New Zealand to America right now to teach this?
Great question. So Poi actually started in New Zealand. So Poi is just a ball on a cord that you spin in circles. It's a tonga, or a treasure, in New Zealand from the indigenous people there, the Maori people. And I specialize in working with Poi as a therapeutic tool. So I did my PhD studying the effects of Poi on physical and cognitive function for older people in particular. And I'm here in the US to improve quality of life for people with dementia and all kinds of people of all ages and abilities.